When you step on the brake pedal, brake fluid pushes on the brake calipers, causing the vehicle to slow or stop. When brake fluid is compromised or contaminated, your vehicle may not perform as the manufacturer intended. Brake fluid naturally attracts moisture. Water in the brake lines can boil, keeping the calipers from pressing against the brakes with as much force. Water also leads to corrosion that can cause leaks, hurting braking power. Exchanging your brake fluid in a timely manner prevents your brake lines from rusting from the inside out. A Wynns brake fluid exchange replaces old, contaminated fluid with high-quality Wynns brake fluid. As we reviewed, brake fluid is a critical component of your braking system. Replacing rusted brake lines, brake calipers, and other brake parts can run several hundreds of dollars. So clearly, there's value in maintenance. Ask your professional service consultant about a brake fluid exchange to extend the life of your brake system.